Did you know you can access free training in Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams? And you can also get digital badges and certificates that you can display on your CV or on your LinkedIn page to show what you can do. So open up your browser and you can either search for Microsoft Learn, or you can go to the top and type learn.microsoft.com. So then on the top right hand corner, click sign in and then choose your Microsoft account. And then from here you can go to training. You can choose all training or just Microsoft 365. Or if you prefer, from this part you can go down and choose Educator Center. That's if you work in education. There's some relevant things here. You can choose which particular app you're interested in, but these are product guides, whereas up here you can choose Educator Training, for instance. And now you've got some options on the left hand side of the screen. So you could say you're interested in PowerPoint, for instance, or you could tick Microsoft 365. Down here you can choose Learning Path, which is like a whole course, or you can tick Module, which is bite-sized pieces of those courses. If you go to your initials on the top right hand corner and you click Profile, you'll be able to see where you're at. So you can see that I've got 40 badges and I've got 5 trophies, which are also known as learning paths. And then if you go to training on this side, it will show you what you've recently completed and what you're still working on. If I were to go into here, for instance, it will show ticks or checks next to the ones that I've done, and then I can click on the next one to continue. When I am finished with that, which I've only got 6 minutes left to do, I can then take a module assessment, and these are quite quick quizzes. They're usually multiple choice, and then once you've passed that, then you get your digital badge. There is so much stuff in here that you might find yourself getting a little bit lost, and some of it is quite advanced. So I would stay away from things like Azure unless you know what it is, and I would stick to the Microsoft 365 ones if you just want things like Word and PowerPoint. So if you've got any questions about that, please type them in the comments and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I will see you in the next video.
Access granted.
Digital Learning Lounge.